Hi everyone. I want to thank everyone from Safe Step Philippines for making tonight possible. It's already our step up 4. So napakasaya, napaka-thankful na nandito tayong lahat celebrating.
So malaking pasasalamat natin of course sa management, sa Jonas, sa headquarters, di ba? Alam niyo kung sino kayo, di ba? Di ba? Hindi pa bibisan. Pero mas maganda kung may bilis tayo and yet we become successful, no?
So to all of you out there who is working hard, making sure that ANTA and Safe Step is moving in the right direction, maraming salamat po from the bottom of our hearts. And I want to assure everyone that we are here. The company is behind you every step of the way.
Let's keep moving. Yun naman yung mantra natin. Step. Diba? There's a lot of hard work. May marami tayong kailangang trabaho. Pero nakikita nyo naman as each year goes by, mas gumaganda, mas gumalaki yan. Mas gumaganda. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Let's give glory to God for all of our blessings, all of our achievements, and without Him, nothing is possible. So I want to encourage everyone to keep moving, keep striving for our goals, and let's make it even a better 2025. Let's fly high this year.